Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a comprehensive review of the Xiaomi Robot Vacuum X20 Max, a high-performance robot vacuum designed to make home cleaning effortless and efficient. With its advanced features and powerful cleaning capabilities, this robot vacuum is perfect for maintaining a spotless home. Let's explore its features in detail. Design and build quality. The Xiaomi Robot Vacuum X20 Max features a sleek and modern design with dimensions of 350 x 97 millimeters and a weight of 3.9 kilograms. Its compact size allows it to navigate easily under furniture and in tight spaces. The vacuum is equipped with an all-in-one base station that handles high-temp auto mop pad washing and rapid hot air drying, ensuring the mop pads are always clean and ready for use. Cleaning performance. The X20 Max boasts an impressive 8,000 pH suction power, making it capable of picking up even the most stubborn dust and debris from various surfaces, including carpets and hard floors. It features an extendable mop arm that provides millimeter-level precision cleaning, ensuring thorough cleaning along edges and around obstacles like table legs. The vacuum also includes an anti-tangle hair-cutting brush that efficiently cuts and collects hair, reducing maintenance. Recording capabilities. The X20 Max supports advanced cleaning modes and schedules through the Mi Home Xiaomi Home app. Users can customize cleaning preferences, set cleaning schedules, and monitor the vacuum's performance in real time. The app also allows for remote control and integration with smart home systems, enhancing the overall user experience. Focus and tracking capabilities. Equipped with LDS laser navigation and 3D obstacle avoidance, the X20 Max navigates your home with high precision, avoiding obstacles and ensuring comprehensive coverage. The vacuum's smart carpet detection feature automatically raises the mop pad when a carpet is detected, preventing it from getting wet. Battery life and charging. The Xiaomi Robot Vacuum X20 Max is powered by a 5200 mAh battery, providing up to 120 minutes of cleaning time on a single charge. The battery supports fast charging, allowing it to be fully charged in approximately 6 hours. The vacuum returns to its base station to recharge automatically when the battery is low. The base station also handles mop pad washing and drying, ensuring the vacuum is always ready for the next cleaning session. Connectivity and features. The X20 Max supports Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity, allowing seamless integration with the Mi Home/Xiaomi Home app. The app provides access to various intelligent features, including smart carpet detection, auto mop pad raising, and customized cleaning preferences. The vacuum also supports voice control through popular smart home assistants, making it easy to control with simple voice commands. Versatility and use cases. The Xiaomi Robot Vacuum X20 Max is versatile and suitable for various cleaning tasks, including daily cleaning, ideal for maintaining a clean home with minimal effort. Pet owners, efficiently picks up pet hair and dander, keeping your home allergen-free. Busy households, perfect for families with busy schedules, providing automated cleaning without supervision. Large homes. With its long battery life and powerful suction, it can handle larger living spaces effectively. User experience. Users have praised the X20 Max for its powerful suction, advanced navigation, and ease of use. The intuitive app controls and intelligent features enhance the overall user experience, making it a popular choice among homeowners. However, some users have noted that the vacuum's base station is relatively large and may require ample space for installation. Price and value. The Xiaomi Robot Vacuum X20 Max is priced at approximately $685, offering excellent value for its advanced features and superior performance. Despite its higher price point, the X20 Max provides a comprehensive cleaning solution that rivals more expensive models on the market. Conclusion. The Xiaomi Robot Vacuum X20 Max is a top-tier robot vacuum that combines powerful suction, advanced navigation, and intelligent features to deliver an exceptional cleaning experience. Its robust design, versatile cleaning capabilities, and user-friendly app make it a valuable addition to any home. Overall, the X20 Max offers a balanced mix of performance and convenience, making it a strong contender in the robot vacuum market. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.